Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Dreame TV is stuck on boot logo. In such case, we're going to have to perform a factory reset operation on the TV. So first of all, unplug your TV from the power source completely, and also make sure to unplug it from all the external HDMI devices. And after unplugging your TV from the power source, what we're going to have to do is hold down the power button beneath the TV. So hold down the physical button, power button here, and while holding it down, plug your TV back into the power source. You will see the LED, red LED light appearing at the bottom of your TV. This indicates that the TV is about to start, and once you see the screen of your TV starting to glow slightly, release the power button and wait for the recovery mode to appear on the screen. Now it's gonna take a while. And once you see the recovery mode on your screen, you can start using your remote control D-pad to navigate in this menu. So what we're gonna need to do here is scroll down to wipe data / factory reset option, and then select and press OK. Then select factory data reset. However, be aware that this operation will erase all data from your TV. So if you want to back something up first, or remove a USB flash drive, for example, or do anything else, then first cancel this option and select Reboot System Now option at the very top of this menu. But if you're ready to perform a factory reset operation, select wipe data / factory reset, then select factory data reset, then wait until your data is formatted. So once you see data wipe complete, select Reboot System Now, and then wait for your TV to restart. After the restart, your TV will be fully reset and you'll be able to start using it once again once you see the setup screen. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.